All right, you guys, so today we're gonna talk about acne. Who likes acne? Acne is the worst. I thought acne stopped with puberty, but then I met this thing called stress. Stress definitely throws off your hormones and it makes your skin go crazy. And you would think that you can find acne just on your face, but it also happens on your chest, your shoulders, your upper back. I mean, it can happen anywhere. And the stress acne that I'm talking about is caused by this hormone called the corticotropin releasing hormone, or CRH, that's released in your sebaceous gland. Okay, so when the CRH is released in your skin, it causes your pores to increase in size and metabolic activity. That releases more oil in your skin, and you have a decrease in the linolenic acid, which you need, and an increase in free fatty acids. And that's no bueno, baby. So that oil that's released in the skin actually activates the immune and inflammatory responses in your skin, and then boom, you're a pizza face. Okay, you guys, let's get face to face with acne for a second. We need to know what acne we can treat ourselves and what we need to see a doctor for, okay? So I'm gonna go over the different stages of acne. Okay, so examine your face for a second. Check everywhere and see, do you have whiteheads or blackheads? Well, you're in luck. Whiteheads and blackheads can be treated by yourself. They can be extracted and they can go away over time. So do you actually know what a blackhead or a whitehead is? A blackhead is a pore that's clogged, that's exposed to the air, and the air oxidizes it and turns it black. A whitehead has a little thin layer of skin on it, so you can still see that it's white in color. So those things can be extracted. They're commonly found on your nose. There's strips that you can get to take off your blackheads, and they're easy to get rid of. Okay, what you do not want to treat is inflammatory acne. Those are things like pustules, papules, and cysts. If you feel like your skin is inflamed and raised, probably best to leave it alone, see a physician, because they have prescription grade acne remedies that can treat it. Okay, you guys, so the reason why you do not want to pop an inflammatory pimple is that you can actually make matters worse. So what you want to do is keep away from things that mechanically irritate your skin. So you want to get rid of hats and things that will clog your pores, or heavy foundation. And you definitely want to make sure you're using products and chemicals on your skin that are good for your skin, that are all natural and organic, okay? So you definitely don't want to treat your skin if you're not eliminating those factors first. How can you treat your skin if you're still doing the things that cause acne in the first place? So the good news is acne is usually self-limiting. That means that it goes away on its own. However, if you must do something about it, try a holistic approach first before diving into a prescription medication. Okay, you guys, number one, stay hydrated. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. I know it's tough, but you'll feel so much better and your skin will thank you for it. Next, stay away from foods high in glycemic loads. These are foods like McDonald's, girl. You don't need that, boo. Step 2, remove the excess oil from your skin. That sounds so easy, right? But we just let it sit on our skin all day, don't even wash it off, and we expect to have great skin? No. There's little pads that you can get to soak up the oil. So definitely look into getting those. Step 3, wash your face with warm water 2 times a day and pat dry. You guys don't understand how important it is to pat your face and not rub it. Not only are you going to create wrinkles if you just wipe your face, but you're also not going to maintain the moisture from the water by keeping it in. Pat your face, you guys, do not rub. Also, moisturizing is so fundamental. If you have dry skin, oily skin, there's a moisturizer for you. Just read the label, look for your skin type, and you'll be good to go. Okay, you guys, if you're looking to treat your skin, you have acne, you don't want to do anything holistic, it's not working, and you're moving on to a medicated product, gels are the best choice for you, because gels actually evaporate, leaving the active ingredient on your skin. And that's what you need to actually keep working even when you're not paying attention. Also, gels are non-greasy, which means they don't add to the problem. So if you have a gel, definitely choose that over a cream or an ointment. So creams and lotions are less irritating than gels because they actually counteract the astringent effects. Astringent effects are something that's going to actually strip your skin, like a gel. So definitely go with a cream or lotion if you think your skin is going to be on the dry side. But whatever you do, avoid ointments. Ointments can occlude the skin, clog your pores, and even cause more acne to grow. So please, please stay away from ointments. Gels, creams, lotions, that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you learned a lot more about your skin and how to treat your acne. Definitely leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns, and hashtag AskRobinB, and I'll be happy to feature it on the show. But before you go, make sure you're liking and subscribing to my channel.